Did you know that Houdini, yes, that Houdini, was actually an avid book collector? And he collected some of the most interesting books that I've ever run across. One of those books, and this thing is a tome, is called Scientific Amusements. It's 600 pages plus of pure 19th century science mayhem. If you read this, I read it, I'm like, wow, this is so incredibly interesting on one page. And then on the next page, I'm thinking, how did they not die? This is wild. And it's a lot of the stuff in here, if you're learning chemistry or physics, or you want to work on optical illusions or a magic show like Houdini, it's a great book. And I can't get enough of it. At the time when I got interested in it, it wasn't in print. I couldn't find it in print anywhere. So I actually had to get it ring bound. You can still find it. You can find it on the Internet Archive. I think a few people have republished different versions of it now, and you can find a few in different outlets. It is huge, though. That's one problem. This is an investment, and it's a lot of 19th century science. One thing that I did at the time, because it was out of print, is I was especially interested in the chemistry section. The chemistry section is kind of the gold nugget in the whole book. And it's actually under 200 pages. So in order to make it more accessible, I actually reprinted just the chemistry section, the marvels of the elements section. And this goes through chemistry as seen through a 19th century lens like no other book I've ever ran across. It's informative. It's brief, but it's also incredibly thorough. I absolutely love it. And if you're interested in the history of science or 19th century science, or if you're just a chemist, it's actually useful to modern chemists to just look at this and think, wow, this is how they did that way back then. And in many cases, it hasn't changed. A lot of the processes for refining steel or tin or metal or using different methods to purify sugar or tar or any number of things, they're pretty much the same, but through this ancient, well, not ancient, but very old-fashioned lens, it simplifies it in a way that really makes it accessible to a non-chemist. You read it and you're like, oh, that's how that works. That's what it means when they say pig iron, or that's what they mean when they say phosphorescent. And this is where the word saltpeter or potassium comes from. And it's just incredibly informative, and I really hope other people out there will get some enjoyment out of it.